Enjoy! And hello, my friends! I'm so happy today!
Oh my God, please help me, please! And run fast!
Today, once again, I've brought a brand new idea for all of you. And this one is 100% monetizable. Without wasting any time, open YouTube and search for a channel called Anacraft. This channel has over 6 million subscribers and is generating massive views consistently. If you check its earnings, it's making $433 per month, which clearly proves that this type of content is fully monetized. The category is entertainment, and the channel is based in South Korea. Now, if you explore their shorts, you'll notice something very important. Cartoon-style short videos that are extremely engaging. When you click on the most popular videos, you'll see insane numbers, like 120 million views, 80 million views, 25 million views, and many more videos crossing millions. This clearly shows that this type of content is highly trending and viral right now. So the question is, how can you create the same type of videos? Now let me show you the exact method I personally use. First, I already have a master prompt ready. Instead of giving you a complicated setup, I'll directly provide you with text-to-image prompts and text-to-video prompts that I personally use. What I do is simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click on Generate. After waiting a few seconds, it automatically generates 10 complete video prompts, image prompts, and even image-to-video prompts. But here's the powerful trick. I also ask it to add a professional voiceover with 2 lines for each scene. This makes your work 10x easier because you don't need to think about script writing at all. Now, once all prompts are ready, I organize everything by copying them into a document file and saving it properly for reuse. This helps me stay consistent and scale faster. Also today, I'm not just showing you 2 or 3 images. I'll generate multiple images from different categories, so you can fully understand the process. After that, we move to the next step, text-to-image generation. For that, we use a powerful tool called Flow AI. As you already know, Flow AI is one of the best tools for generating high-quality images quickly and efficiently. So make sure you watch carefully because in every video, I share something new and valuable. If you follow this process step by step, you can also create viral, monetizable content just like this, and potentially build a high-income YouTube channel. First, you need to click on the Create with Flow project, and from here, I select the image option after choosing the image option. I copy my first prompt and paste it here. Then I click on the Generate option. As you can see, my first image has started generating in a short time. It will prepare the image for you. And after a few moments, you can see the result of my first image. Oh my God, this is so amazing. It has created a truly image now. In the same way, I upload the second prompt here. Paste it, click, generate, wait a little. And you can see that after some time, my second image is also ready. And this is also incredibly amazing. Now what I will do is give it the third prompt, click on the Generate option, wait a little, and you can see that my third image is also ready. And this one is also very impressive, with very high-quality characters used in it. Now what we will do next is, I will give it the fourth prompt. Paste it, click on Generate, wait a little, and after some time you can see that my fourth image is also ready. Now I copy my fifth prompt, 5, 6, 7, and what I do is I start adding 4 to 5 prompts together here continuously. I don't stop here. Instead, I keep adding as many prompts as I have, even extra ones, and I upload them one by one. Some images are already generated in between, while some are still generating. I will show you the final results, but I continue adding prompts one by one, without stopping, and they keep generating. The reason is that I want to show you a large number of images and results today. I don't want you to see just 3 or 4 images. I want you to check the full results of my prompts. All these prompts will be available in my video description from where you can download them. I have now added all the prompts here, and you can see that one by one, all prompt images are being generated. Now you can view each image one by one. Oh my God, every image is so engaging and so powerful. Now in the same way, I have added even more prompts, like 5 or 6 extra prompts, so that even more images can be generated. I am also showing you side by side how these prompt-based images are turning out. You can see how engaging they are, and the character remains consistent. A 3D cartoon-style character is being used to generate these images, and you can see how classic and fully powerful these images look. Now you can see that all the prompts, I added all of them, have successfully generated images. I think these are around 20 or 19 images, meaning around 19 to 20 images in total. And you can see one by one how amazing each image is. Okay, so now what I will do is download all of these in 2K quality one by one, so that I can select some of them and convert them into a video to create a great short. I have now downloaded all of them one by one. Now we move towards the video part. For the video, I first select one image, then I go to the video option, and there I use VEO 3.1 fast because it only costs 10 credits. Now I will give it my own custom prompt. Whatever I want to write, I will give it a good prompt, click on generate, and that's it. Okay viewers, my first video has started generating here, so I will wait for a while. You just need to wait for 1 minute. And after waiting 1 minute, oh my god. Viewers, you have already seen the result of my first video. This is absolutely amazing. So attractive and created in a fully powerful way. Now let's select the second image, and after selecting the second image, we will give it a nice prompt. According to our preference, I personally write all the prompts myself because I enjoy giving prompts according to my own style. And I want my character's actions to perform exactly the way I imagine. Then I click on the generate option again, wait for a moment, and as you can see, after a short wait, my second video is also ready. And this is also so cool, amazing, and created in a very dramatic way. Now I select my third image from here, and I will give it a good prompt. After giving the prompt to the third image, I click on generate, wait a little. And now my third image to video is also ready. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is also a very powerful video. In the same way, I pick my fourth and final image, give it a prompt. And now you can see the final look. Oh my god, this tool is still absolutely great for video creation even today. And bro, this is 100% free. It gives you 50 credits daily. You can create 5 to 6 videos daily and upload shorts easily. And as you can see, images are unlimited. You can generate as many images as you want. If anyone has a complaint that this tool cannot generate good images, then here is the proof in front of you. That's why I created so many images now. For the final look, we will edit this in CapCut. I will open CapCut, drag all these videos into it, then arrange them in a proper sequence one by one. After arranging them, there is also a logo in front of this clip, so to remove that, I will use the scale option. And now you can see my final look is ready now. I will export it, and you can see my final video and final result. Oh my god. Viewers, this character is so amazing. And all the prompts used in this video will be available in the description from where you can download them. And I hope you really liked today's video. I have created this video to be highly engaging and powerful. So we will meet again in the next video with a new idea. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I really need your support. Thank you so much. Goodbye.